bum bum bilang, bum bum hey.
Hey, it's Caroline with 38eats.com again, and today we're making our favorite chicken fajita salad. We have 3 antibiotic and hormone-free organic chicken breasts that have been cut in half to make 6 servings. I've made my own dry rub that consists of 1 teaspoon of cumin, sea salt, oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, and chili powder. We also have 1/2 cup of lime juice and 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We're first going to start by placing the olive oil in this dry rub mixture, and then the lime juice. Now I'm going to whisk this mixture and pour it over the chicken breasts so I can massage them and get these good ingredients to saturate into the chicken. I'm now putting on these latex gloves so I don't spread any chicken anywhere that it doesn't need to be, and I'm going to pour the mixture over the chicken and then massage this mixture into the chicken. Whisk it a little bit more, and here we go. Now I'm going to massage the chicken. I'm so glad that I'm wearing gloves. I'm going to take off 1 latex glove so I can hold this bag and then place the chicken in with my other hand. They're nice and coated, so we're going to let them marinate for 30 minutes. Take this other glove off, zip this up tight, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator. Now I'm going to place the chicken on this hot grill. That smells so good. I love this marinade that we made. I can tell it's going to be one of my favorites already. Move this one around a little bit. And here we go, our last one. I'm going to close it quickly. Get to cooking. Vegetable oil heating up. For the stir fry, I'm going to first start with the onions. And we're going to cook these until they're tender. We're currently cooking this on medium-high heat. We're going to get them slightly charred before we add the peppers. Let them just waiting and smelling. Smells great. All right, I'm starting to see a slight brown, so I think the peppers are ready to get placed into the pan. add some color. Mexican fiesta happening in this pan. Now what we're going to do is add the remaining mixture from what we soaked the chicken in. The best marinade. Love it. I'm going to turn the heat down just a bit. And I'm going to add these chili peppers. Diced green chili peppers for the win. It'll definitely add a good kick. Oh, this looks amazing. Just got in from the grill, and I'm now going to take the chicken to the kitchen so we can slice it up and mix it with our veggies and make the perfect fajitas. I've sliced the chicken fajita style and now mixed it with the stir fry. And I'm going to place it on top of this beautiful bed of lettuce. The lettuce is chopped romaine, and we slice some avocados to garnish and chop some tomatoes to garnish. I think it looks beautiful, and I can't wait to try it. The avocados add a creamy texture, while the tomatoes bring a wonderful acidity to this plate. And the marinade honestly is my favorite part. It brings the chicken and the veggies all together. That lime juice really accentuates everything.
Bam, bam, the was all Jamaican, really different style, different fashion, you know? Tell me say one thing Nancy can't understand. One thing Nancy can't understand. What make them a talk about me ambition? Say what make them a talk about me ambition? Come and say some of them a ask me where me get it from. Just some of them a ask me where me get it from. I told them no no it's from creation. I told them no no it's from creation. Bam bam hey yo.